Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Matt.
On today's episode, we're talking about Weller once again. This is the single barrel.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you give us a little background on this single barrel?
All right.
It's been a while since we talked about Weller.
It is. It's been, that's some of the original stuff. But yeah, this is the Weller single barrel, the orange label, which came out in 2020. MSRP at $55, selling now for over $1,200 in the second, which is absurd. All right, it's 48.5% because, we already had enough allocated Weller. Let's try another product because nobody can find. Because great
Why
choice.
not?
Only comes out once a year in June. How kind of them. Like I said, of course, it's the original Wheated Bourbon created by William Larue Weller back in 1825. It's the only have one wheat recipe at Buffalo Trace. So, shocker which one this must be. Of course, they don't tell us the percentages, but it is what it is. It's between 6 and 7 years old. And like I said, it comes out once per year. And the laser code in this one is L, then 520-110, 13K. So, anyone has the same one? There you go. No idea or not, but there's the laser code for you. Let's see what we think.
Smells like Weller.
Smells like Weller because you need another Weller product in your life.
So, if you already have a Weller that smells like Weller, why are you going to make another Weller that smells like Weller?
Because they
What's
can
the
make more
proof on
money
this
that
again?
way and demand more money, more cash, because that's what Buffalo Trace does best. Screw over
what
the
is-
consumer.
What is the proof on this again?
It is 97 proof because you have the 90 for the regular, and you've got 107, and you have 95 for CYPB. So we need a 97 proof apparently. Of course, 114 for the full proof. So of course we can't. Could we maybe get a cat? While we're at it, let's get a cash strength version. We don't have that yet. Oh, well, okay. That's not true. You have William Larue Weller, I guess, is your cash strength version. Good luck with that.
Good luck
Yeah.
finding that.
Been on the hunt for how many years now?
I haven't seen one of those in like 3 years at least, I think.
I mean, to find one even at a decent price.
Yeah, unless you're willing to pay thousands of dollars, then no. And I'm not.
I mean, it's good, but it's not that good.
No, all right. So let's see here. So it obviously smells like cherry because, it's Weller. Orange peel.
I'm getting a little bit more chocolate than I typically get on a Weller.
Yeah.
Yeah, I say that cocoa nibs for sure. Orange
fake
marmalade.
chocolate, cereal chocolate.
It's got that wheat sweet.
Vanilla, caramel, nougat, little oak.
Cinnamon.
Typical baking spices on it.
Yeah.
Brown sugar.
It's a little woody.
Vanilla bean.
Yeah.
Cinnamon stick with like an orange. I mean, it's very bourbon.
It's what?
Yeah.
It's it smells to me like about a $55 bourbon.
And this is exactly what it should cost. It's a $50 MSRP. You are correct. All right. Palate, same thing. Cherry, orange, a little bit of cranberry on it, which is unique. Oak, like I said, vanilla bean, ice cream, milk chocolate, caramel. Tastes like Weller. It tastes great.
It's like Weller.
It's good, but it's
It's
nothing special. Everybody makes this thing out to be this amazing, crazy thing.
They just want it because it's a Weller product. It's all
And then they're never going to open it, and they're going to look at it, and they're going to pay an absurd price for it.
right.
And go, oh, look, I have this unopened bourbon.
waste.
Well, good for you.
Oh my God, I got this and you don't. Well, who cares?
Yeah,
Now, in our house, if we have it, we're willing to share it.
Yes.
exactly. It's good. That's why we like
But
it.
I'm also
That's
not
why it's
going
open.
to pay what the secondary prices are for this bottle. So
No, absolutely
if
not.
you think you're going to come to my house and get it, you're not. Go to Matt's.
I pay retail. I don't pay secondary for anything. That's stupid.
It tastes incredibly nice. It's
Yeah,
smooth.
it's really good.
It's round. It's cohesive.
Yeah.
It's still big and bold
I
somehow.
would like a little more proof still, though.
I would too. This to me
Yeah.
reminds me of the Weller 12. It doesn't have nearly the spike.
Yeah, which is 90. Yeah,
Yeah. It needs a little bit more oomph for me.
Yeah.
I like it. It tastes really good. This is
I mean,
solid.
yeah.
But it's nothing. It's nothing that's like blowing your mind out of the ordinary
No.
for Weller. It tastes like a good Weller.
No. It's very much on the background whiskey type of,
Yeah, it's good.
set for me. It's good. I'll drink it. I'm not gonna turn my nose up to it, but I'm not gonna go searching for it either.
No,
And I'm sure as heck not going to pay secondary prices for it.
but it was the one that we needed to review last to complete the current well that are available on the marketplace. So now we've completed that for all of you. You're welcome.
Collect the whole set.
That's
It's
right.
like fucking Pokemon.
Exactly. We do a foolproof, I guess, pick we did. I guess we should do a regular foolproof at some point for you guys, which we'll get to sometime. Because why not?
You don't want a weasel?
Right. So it's good stuff. So, but yeah, I wouldn't pay more than retail for it.
No.
So that's just me.
That's not just you.
Not just you.
Or trade it for good scotch. That's your other choice.
There you go. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for better whiskey in your glass. Cheers. Hey, you know what? If we're wrong, put it in the comment section. Why is this worth that much money to you?
And you had to have opened it.
Yes, you had to have opened
There
it.
you go.
They've frozen up. So, until they come back, yes, $55 would be about right. $1,200 is stupid. And now they unfroze finally.
Finally.
He's on his own little tangent there.
I love to leave you tangents for the outtakes because they're funny.
They come through when we go out.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you guys are
We're
sit there
frozen.
frozen and they just come through. It's funny.
Let's cross us out.
Right. I'll just zoom into Matt.
There you go.